Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. This is her outdoor DIY and decor challenge. I participated last year and I updated this porch, but over the winter it has gotten winterized. Now I want to summarize it, so I'm going to be cleaning this up. So stick around with me while I do that and then add a little bit of decor to one of the corners just to change it up a bit from last year. If you're interested in seeing how this porch got made over, the link is in the description box. But if you want to watch this porch get cleaned and decorated, please stick with me. I sped up the video and I'll be moving all around the porch pretty fast, so I'm not going to talk over any of it. I'll just set it to music and then you can see how I'm putting everything back together. And if you please stick around to the end, you can see the items together that I purchased from the Goodwill for a nice little seating area on the porch, which I didn't have last year. So again, check the link in the description box, check the playlist for all the other participants, and be sure to check out the DIY Mommy's channel as well. Her link will be in the description box also. These signs were DIY projects that I made in a previous video, which I will link here and in the description box. And I made over these end tables, and I will link to that video as well. And then looking at the sectional, I decided to put a little more to it, and I'm adding this throw, and then I'm just placing the pillow right on top. And this area here, this little corner, I have this green table, and I'm just pointing out that the legs are green, and I want them to match the white of the chairs. I put the other two chairs on the outside of the porch, and I'm just going to spray the legs of the table with this white spray paint. The other part of the table didn't matter since I'm covering it with this tablecloth that I recently purchased at the Goodwill. And then I got these placemats to go with it. I wasn't necessarily looking for green, but I think they look nice. And I know this little platter is for like chips and dip, but I'm using it as a centerpiece. And then I got this little bouquet here. I'm just going to place that right in that center part there. And then I got this lantern that I thought was perfect. Just opening it up and adding a candle that I already had. And I thought this would be cute on the table in the little centerpiece. So this is just a nice little seating area in the corner of the porch where we can have a meal at night. We can bring the other chairs in if needed, maybe some coffee or tea in the morning, or just a nice place to relax. The other thing that I like to have that's not in this video is our string lights, and they go around the inside of the porch the way I had them last year, and I'll be adding those later. The greenery on these tables came from Marshall's. Picked those up a while ago and just put them together on these chargers that I got from the Goodwill. And this rocking chair here is pretty old, and I've been keeping it outside. I'll be giving this a makeover soon, so stay tuned for that. And this is how the porch is decorated this year. And I hope this gives you some inspiration for what you can do to update something on your outside for outdoor living. I hope you liked the video. Please do take a look at the description box. Check out the links there. Check out the other channels there and all the other participants. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.